Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the beautiful Twin Sands Resort here in Phuket, Thailand. Today we'll be talking to you from the 180-degree wellness spa. My name is Karol. I'm the wellness manager for Twin Sands as well as the Absolute Corporation. And what we want to do is work with you on some workplace wellness today. We're going to do some joint stretches, open the joints up, keep you healthy in the workplace and happy, and increase your overall energy during your day. So we'll go ahead and start off with the first stretch. Okay, we're gonna start off with some joint rotations. So let's move straight into the neck, everybody. So we're gonna lift, roll, rise, drop the chin to the chest. Don't force it. Inhale, extend the energy up, release any tension. Feel the neck lengthen and move. Switch back, go the other direction. 3 to 5 times maybe. Is no magic number. You're listening to the body, moving the neck, letting the neck lengthen, roll. Any tension comes out, good. And coming back to center when you're finished. We worked onto the neck. Now we're gonna move down to the next joint, which is our shoulders. This should be very easy for most people. We've been doing it all our life. It's like, I don't know. So we're shrugging up, lifting, rolling the shoulders back. Lift, roll, rise, and just release any tension through the shoulders. Then opposite directions, coming forward. Relax through it, and then even side to side. Gentle rolling motion, coming forward, coming back, through the upper back, and through the shoulders, and then back to neutral. Now that we moved into the shoulders, let's keep moving through the other joints in the upper body. We're gonna move right into the wrists and the hands. So to open that energy up, let's go ahead and start shaking. Shake up, shake out. Shake to the side, make sure your office mate isn't too close. Then bring back to neutral, and then we're gonna take wrist rotations coming inward. So you can also move a little bit of energy in and then exhale out, opening up those 8 major joints, or those 8 bones in the wrists. And coming out. Prayer position. Let's go left. And actually bring the mind into the stretch. It's not a mindless thing. You're actually getting into the motion, feeling those wrists open up, and palm forward. Lift and extend. Don't force it. Gentle. Feel the muscles, feel the joint open up. Do that a couple times. And then come back to neutral. Final technique for today, we're going to move into the spine itself, the backbone. Healthy spine, healthy life, healthy body. So what we want to do is make sure the spine is straight up and down to begin with. We're going to reach over, grasp the side of your chair, gently twist the spine. Now you're twisting from the top of your head to the base of your spine. You can even reach around to the back of the chair. You're looking over, but you notice my spine is still straight up and down. I'm not leaning forward, I'm not leaning back. I'm gently twisting, breathing through the motion. Each exhalation, relax deeper into the stretch. Coming back to neutral, we're going to go to the opposite side to balance the body out. And then coming back to center. Now you can do that 2 or 3 times. There is no magic number. I recommend at least 3 times on that one. It has been great spending time with you today. Thank you for stopping by. I hope some of these stretches and some of these tips we've given you for workplace wellness here at Absolute will help enhance your day, your energy, and your overall well-being. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly with the contact information provided, and we hope to see you next time.